Okay, guys, what's up? It's me, Mr. Cameron. I'm at Disney Springs. There's a fire alarm going at the T-Rex Café. Emerson, what is going on?
It's a fire alarm.
Fire alarm!
How? It's the heat outside.
It's from the heat outside, exactly! Yo, the temperature outside is about 6-7 degrees. 6-7.
Can I put you down for a second, buddy?
All I wanted is my mozzarella sticks.
I've eaten here over 20 times.
Yeah. He's doing the cheese pool. How? No. I got it.
Oh, a stick.
That's like a yard.
And a free cup.
Bro,
That's a keeper.
how far is it going to get on?
I think that matters. Should have a fire on.
No, fell out my mouth. It fell.
Where's you?
Yeah, the fire alarm just went off.
Same kind of thing.
Yeah.
If that one goes off, I'll take you go to Forest Place.
They closed it.
Whatever's easy. Let's go to the Irish pub.
I want my mozzarella stick.